Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to add a DKIM record in GoDaddy. So step number 1, log into GoDaddy, navigate to godaddy.com, enter your credentials to log into its dashboard. Step number 2, locate your domain. Under GoDaddy's My Products, find your domain you want to add the DKIM record to, then click DNS like this. Step number 3, create the record entry. Now you are on the DNS management page. Click the Add button in the Records section. Now you will see a form where you can enter the settings for your DKIM records. Make sure the record type is CNAME. Host is set to s1._domain key, where the s1 is the DKIM selector, and points to is set to the CNAME record generated above. Click the Save button, and that's it. Thanks for watching.